welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all subscribe my channel. Today we are going to study about new subject, so mechanics of solids. So in that, simple stresses and strain. Most of the peoples will think so mechanics of solids is very toughest subject, so it is full of problematic subject. So don't think in such a way, so it is a toughest subject. Don't think in such a way that so you can understand the concept and make a summary of the sub lesson and note a points, important points in a one paper. Then we can easily study the lesson topics. So first of all we want to take the paper and write a which are the formulas in first lesson. So write in one paper and then easily can be solved by the by these kind of understanding concepts. So now we wrote a simple formulas regarding the first lesson. So follow my channel, so you have a many doubts for that we can clarify by this channel. So we have a simple tricks and simply we can explain by the for your doubts. So first of all, in first lesson, first topic, simple stresses and strain in lesson. So first topic, so we want to write some formulas. So these three are very important formulas for solving the first topic. So stress, strain, Hooke's law. So these are the only important. So depends upon these formulas only we can solve the different types of problems. So first of all, we want to learn stress. So what is mean by stress? Stress is nothing but load by area. So load is denoted with P, capital P, and area denoted with capital A. So stress is denoted with small p. Stress is small p, load by area. So we have a units of the stress is Newton per mm square. So next, what is strain? Strain is nothing but change in length by original length. So delta L by L is strain. So it is denoted with letter small e. So strain has no units. So next, Hooke's law or Young's modulus. Young's modulus or Hooke's law is nothing but stress by strain. So what is stress? We know load by area. What is strain? So change in length by original length. So this becomes a Young's modulus or Hooke's law. So this is a formula of stress by strain. So what I mean by stress means P by A, capital P by A. Strain means delta L by L. So totally we get a P by A into L by delta L into or delta L. We can write this symbol or this symbol. Either symbol we can use. So this is Young's modulus. So in that, so if you want to find a capital P, for that we can rewrite the formula into this type. So there is no change at all. So just we taken the P at the outside. P is equals to delta L by L, delta L by P into L by A into E. We rewrite this sentence, this formula as like this. So there is no problem at all in this if we rewrite in such a way. So next, in that if you want to find a delta L, how much extension of a bar is taken. So for that we can rewrite the formula into like this. Delta L is equals to PL by AE. So mostly we use in this topic, so delta L, that means extension we want to find the extension. So in this topic, so extension, what is the formula for that? So delta L is equals to PL by A into E. What is P? P means load or tensile force, whatever the force. L means length, original length. A means area, E means Young's modulus. So this is a simple formula we use in this while solving the problems. Now let us see one formula, one problem we will see now. So in this we want to read the question carefully. So what is given in question? So what we want to find in question? So that is very important for this. So if we understand the problem, so then we can solve easily. So first of all, what is the given in question? So what we want to find? So that is very important. So now come the question. So now a circular rod of diameter is 16 mm and 500 mm long is subjected to a tensile force of 40 kilonewtons. The modulus of elasticity for the steel, so they mentioned the steel here, may be taken as 200 kilonewtons per mm square. So find the stress, strain and elongation of bar due to applied force. So this is given. In that we can find the what the given. So they given a diameter 16 mm and they given a length 500 mm long. and they given a tensile force is 40 kilonewtons. And also given there is a Young's modulus or modulus of elasticity is nothing but Young's modulus or Hooke's law is given. So these four items they given. So we want to find what? So find the stress. He asked stress. So he asked strain and elongation. How much elongation taken after a load applied? Tensile force applied after what is the extension taken? So we want to find. This is a circular bar, consider. So in that we applied a tensile force is 40 kilonewtons, opposite sides, opposite. So diameter of this is 16 mm and the length here to here is 500 mm. So this diameter is 16. Applied force is 40 kilonewtons and he given Young's modulus is 200 kilonewton per mm square. So we want to find stress, strain, elongation. We know the formulas of stress, strain and elongation. So simply we can solve. So all the data they given simply by substituting the values and get a answer. So what is stress? Stress means load by area. They given load and they given diameter. So we want to find area means diameter they given. So pi by 4 into d square is area. So so we can get a stress. Strain. How we get strain means change in length by original length. So he given one clue here. They did not given anything, so they given one clue only. So here change in length by original length means E we want to find. So for that he given capital E. So in order to find small e, he given capital E. Because of there is a Young's modulus is what? Stress by strain. So we want to find E, small e. So now see. So this is he given capital E. So what is capital E is equals to P by E. Young's modulus is equals to stress by strain. So we don't know E here. So we can just take it outside and they given a one we get a small e. See how this is original formula. After we rewrite this small e we want. So this is a formula. So we know P, we know E now. They given on in question they given. So simply we get we can put it here and we get a strain formula. So that is next extension of bar. We find a stress and strain. Now extension of bar. So extension of bar is nothing but delta L is equals to PL by AE. Here we have all the values. P we know in question they given. L we know length of 500 mm. A we know that means pi by 4 into d square where d is nothing but 16 mm. So 16 square. So E also they given in question. So all we can substitute and we get a change in length is 0.497 mm is the total extension of the tensile force applied a 40 kilonewtons on a circular rod. So this is a way of understanding. So we cannot done anything here. We know only formulas. According to the formulas we substituted. So then we get a answer. So this is the way. So thank you for watching these videos. So if you have any doubts in ask in comment section, I will cover you.